Welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Well, first of all, let me wish all the moms out here who are watching a very, very happy Mother's Day. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day. And enjoy your day, relax, and let other people pamper you at home. So because of Mother's Day today, I'm going to show you a special recipe of lemon cookies. It's super simple, guys, like all my recipes, few ingredients, but the end result is really delicious. So dads and kids, if you want to make something special for your moms today, then watch this video and try your hands in baking these lovely lemon cookies. So let's head on to my kitchen, guys, and make today's beautiful recipe for Mother's Day. So let's start with today's lovely recipe of lemon cookies. And let's go through the ingredients and the method. So first I'm going to just grate some lemon rind. That is, just use a cheese grater. And here are all the other ingredients. Now all the ingredients will be listed with the exact measurements in the description box below. So here this is the lemon rind that we collected by grating the lemon on the cheese grater. This is some lemon juice that we have squeezed out. This is 1 egg. This is some baking powder, icing sugar or rather powdered sugar, butter. This is some brown sugar, and that is all-purpose flour or maida, which I've just sieved. Now I'm going to grind the lemon rind along with the powdered sugar, because I want to get the flavor of the lemon into the sugar. So we want to infuse the sugar with that. And now we're just going to sieve the sugar too. Now if you want to get a nice, smooth dough, you need to sieve your all-purpose flour or maida and the sugar, so that you don't get any lumps and the cookies come out really nice and light. So we're just going to sieve this. And also, since we've powdered our sugar, so, in case there are any granules. Now I'm going to transfer my butter into a large mixing bowl. To that, I'm going to add some lemon juice. We want the lemon flavor in this lemon cookie. I'm going to add an egg, and I'm going to whisk all of this together. You can use your hand whisk, or you can use your electric mixer. Then we are going to add our powdered sugar and all-purpose flour mixture to this. So we're going to mix all the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together. And we're going to make a nice dough like this. Now your dough has to be like a regular chapati or puri dough. And it has to be nice and firm and smooth. Now we're just going to preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. We're going to roll out small balls like this. They actually look like lemons, don't they? And then we're just going to bake them in our oven for about 10 minutes. Just keep an eye, because every oven is different. So keep an eye on the cookies. They will spread out and, turn into a cookie shape. And there they are, friends. Let them cool down completely for at least 10 minutes. And now we're going to prepare this lovely glaze, which makes these cookies even more special. So the glaze is super simple. All we require is some powdered sugar and a few drops of lemon juice, again, because we want that lemon flavor. And we are just going to whisk this. You can keep on adding the lemon juice till you get that lovely smooth glaze, and then just take it and apply it with a spoon onto your cookies once the cookies have cooled down completely. And then I would give you a tip to just refrigerate the cookies for about 10 to 15 minutes so the glaze sets well before serving. So enjoy this lovely treat on Mother's Day. And again, once again, happy Mother's Day to all of you. simple recipe, and aren't the cookies really delicious if you've really made them already? So if you like today's video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Also, if you haven't hit the red subscribe button, then please do and become a part of Akshita's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell that will show up. Click on that. That way, whenever I put up a recipe, you will not miss out and you'll get a notification of the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next recipe sooner than you think. Take care of yourselves, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another, and I'll say bye for now. Take care.